students, I am your computer teacher of class 6. Today is your video lesson number 3. We are studying the chapter number 2, which is creating a document. And today we will discuss what is document view. We will discuss the document view in Microsoft Word. Before starting our video lesson, I would like to share some objectives with you. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define document view, and list the types of document view, apply the different document view on your document. There are 5 different views of a document. Microsoft Word gives you 5 different views of a document. Each has its own advantages over the others. They are print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. You can guess what purpose some of them serve just by their names. Students, it means there are 5 document views which have their own different functions, and we can judge their functions by their name as well. You can see these 5 document view at the bottom left corner of your screen right now. The first one is print layout, full screen, web layout, outline and draft as well. There are 2 ways of changing the view you have a document. You can click the view tab and then choose a particular view from document views tab, or you can use the view button next to the zoom slider in the bottom right of the workspace. We will look at the different words views now. Students, I wanted to say that when you have created a document, you just have to select the whole document and you can directly click any of the view from the view tab. There is no need to open or go especially on the edit tab or any preview or the preview button or preview options. You can directly just select by selecting the document. Now first we will discuss the print layout view. You can see the icon of your print layout on your screen right now with the arrow. This is default view you will find yourself in when opening a document. This view is best used when your document will contain things like images, headers and footer, column, etc. Each of these components will be visible in this view. You can see how the document will print according to its page break. It means, students, when you want to print the page, before printing the page, we have to select the print layout option just to clarify how it will looks on the paper. The next comes full screen reading. Full screen reading view is optimized for reading a document on the computer screen. In full screen reading view, you also have the option of seeing the document as it would appear on a printed page. You should view the document in full screen reading view to maximize the space available for reading or commenting on a document. It means when you created a document and you want to read the whole document once, you have to select the full screen reading. As you can see, I have created a document and I have showed in the picture it breaks in 2 parts. The first left one and the second one is the right. So I can easily read my whole document. The next comes web layout view. You can see the icon of web layout on the view tab in the red rectangular box. Use web layout view to view the document as it would look like as a web page. In this view, you can see the background text is wrapped fit the window and image appears as they would online. It means if you want to see that how your document looks like on web, it will helpful. The next, outline view. Using outline view, you can view the document as an outline and show the outlining tools. This is useful if you are moving sections of your documents or creating an outline. The last one is draft view. Use draft view to view the document as a draft. to enable you to quickly edit the text. Certain elements of a document such as header and footer will not be visible in this view. Students, it means if you want to see the documents as a draft, what it will looks like, your header and your footer will not be changed. The rest you can do edit, and you can change or you can insert or whatever you want to do with the in the draft options, or you can do with your document. Okay students, practically I'll show you how we can apply all these layouts on our document. Here I have typed a paragraph about our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. First I will apply the print layout option, which will be located on the view tab. I will select the paragraph and then I will choose the print layout option. So you can see our document will look like in the print layout. Then we will apply the full screen reading. Same as on the view tab, we will choose the full screen reading option. As I told you, our document will be divided into parts, left and right. So here comes. Now we will apply the web layout. Web layout shows how the document will be looks like on the web. So here it is. Now the next come outline. In the outline view, we can apply or we can add the outline in our document. So it's like a paragraph it will become, and these will be the headings. And if you want to close, you have to press the close button. In the draft section, it will also look like same as the outline view, but you can add some more headings or edit, but the header and footer will be same. I hope there is no ambiguity and any query regarding today's lesson. Let's take a recap. Microsoft Word gives you 5 different views of a document, and each has its own advantages over the others. They are print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft, and you can guess what purpose some of them serve just by their names. I have showed you the icons. I have briefed you the description of their functions separately, and I have all told you and I have showed you practically how these layouts work. Now here comes your assignment. Your assignment is you have to write the answer of the following questions on your notebook. The question number 1 is define document view, analyze the names of document view, describe the function web layout view in MS Word, and last it's your practical work. What you have to do, you have to create a document and apply different document view in it.